Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the brand new release, Moonology Manifestation Oracle cards by Yasmin Boland and artwork by Lori Menna. This is 44 cards in a guidebook published by Hay House, and it retails for $21.99 in the US, $28.99 in Canada. If any of this looks similar or something you've seen before, Yasmin Boland brought you the original Moonology Oracle cards. So I'm really excited about this one because I loved that first deck so much. Let's take a look at the back and see what it says. The moon has been our constant companion for millennia. She encourages us to seize opportunities opening up to us and helps us to release whatever is holding us back. Use these beautiful cosmic oracle cards to boost your manifesting powers and find out how to attract what you most desire in life. Each card reveals what you're bringing into your life and how to supercharge your manifesting powers to achieve the best results. Discover the unique power of the moon as she moves through the signs of the zodiac and how to channel her energies to create the life of your dreams. Yay! First of all, it's gorgeous. This packaging is beautiful. Nicely done. And it's not a tuck box. I appreciate that. Oh, look at that. Attune to the moon and manifest miracles. I love little surprises like this. All right. At the back, or I should say the bottom. Beautiful. I love it. All right, so let's just take a quick peek at the guidebook to see if there's any pertinent information that we need to know before going into the cards. So we have the magical lunar cycle, so it gives you information about each of the new moon, the first quarter, full moon, and last quarter. Working with the cards. Ooh, okay, so here we go. We have new moon cards, first quarter, full moon, and last quarter. Okay, that's the type of information we need to know. Okay, shows you all of the information about all of that. Let's just see real fast. Okay, so new moon cards herald opportunities. They represent doors that are opening up. Okay. First quarters reveal how you're being challenged. Okay, and then we got some information about chakras. Full moon cards are all about climaxes. The energies are peaking when one of these cards comes up, for better or for worse. Last quarter, these cards signify a conclusion of some kind. And then we have the elements, or the 12 zodiac signs, planetary days, hours, blessing the cards. Okay, lots of information. So you have a single card reading, 3 card, and then what is this one called? Lunar cycle reading. Okay, yay. All right, let's flip through, then we'll shuffle, and then we will pull a card and read from the book. Oh my God, the back though. Beautiful. That is so pretty. Alrighty. I'm already loving this. Let's just take a look at the cardstock. Ooh, okay. So it is not, you know how some of the Hay House cards have been a little papery thin? It's not feeling like that to me. It's still thin, but it's not super so thin like that. I hope you guys understand what I'm talking about. But it is a matte, and it looks like it's going to be fun to shuffle. These are beautiful. Oh. I love that it gives you what it is and then a little blurb. We've got the zodiac symbol up there. The new moon is in focus here. Oh, we got some lavender. It looks like lavender. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's a tree. Oh, that's beautiful. These would be great too. I'm pretty sure you can probably separate the cards into how you want to use them, into their categories. But like if you pulled one of these and had it on your vanity or your altar and used it as an affirmation throughout your day, that would be fun too. I love a deck that you can do a daily pull with and use it for multiple different things. Gorgeous. Okay, we have first quarter. So it's completely different, I feel, than her first deck. I mean, there's a lot of similarities, but I feel like this is more focused. And I'm really enjoying this. I'm just sitting here thinking of all the different ways that I will be able to use this. So I'm really excited. We have chakra symbols on this one. This would be great too if you are working with your chakras and are concerned about blockages. Maybe pull a card to see if you have a blockage in a certain chakra, or if you know you have a blockage, pull this particular chakra card out and work with that energy. Read what the suggestions are in the guidebook. Speaking of blockages. I love that. And they're all yoga poses. That's really cool. I'm really liking this deck. Now we're on to the full moon. It's so cute. I'm really liking this deck. I really like the aesthetic. This would be a beautiful deck to go alongside any of Danielle Noel's decks or Rebecca Campbell. Has similar aesthetic feel. Oh, beautiful. And last quarter. I feel like this was very well thought out. The imagery is beautiful. The colors are vibrant without being overwhelming. There's no borders. I think if you are into astrology or call yourself a cosmic witch or astrology witch, this was definitely appeal to you, or if you're trying to learn about all of these things, this would be a great deck for that too. I don't have a complaint. And I mean, I really loved her first deck too. So the Moonology deck. So I'm excited that this one is just as beautiful, but in a different way. Oh, yes. Okay. No issues with shuffling. All right. Ooh, already we got a card. Okay. Plenty. Okay. I just needed the one. Thank you. But yeah, I like how it shuffles. I'm in love with this back. It is just beautiful. Okay. So we are going to read for last quarter moon in Libra. Make time for self-love. I feel like we all can use this reminder a lot. Okay, so last quarter, and I love a table of contents that lets me flip right to it. 118. Have you been trying to please all the people all the time when you're not quite happy yourself? Not yet quite happy. There's a difference between wanting to live positively and spiritual bypassing when you refuse to acknowledge your feelings. You can't fool the universe, so pretending to be happy when you're sad will get you nowhere. Rather, you need to deal with your feelings. The only way, if you're people-pleasing, stop. Oh, excuse me. I can read, I swear. That's the only way. If you're people-pleasing, stop. Think about what's going on and why you're doing it. If you're in an unbalanced relationship, address the situation. Section called Manifesting Mix. While it's lovely to do things nicely, they also need to be done well. Be sincere. Manifesting Mindset. The way to get in the manifesting zone is to work through all your stuff. Once you've done that, you become a clear signal for your desires. Manifesting Magic. These crystals will work especially well for the sign of Libra. Pyrite, blue kyanite, green turquoise, red tiger's eye, pink mangano calcite, or sunstone. Choose one and hold it while you meditate, visualizing a pure violet light swirling around you. Alternatively, keep your crystal close by as you work through your situation, or use 5 or 6 to make a crystal grid. Your manifestation affirmation is, harmony surrounds me. I am on my path. Oh, I love that. When to manifest your magic. The best time to work your magic is when the moon is in Libra on a Friday or Venus's day or during Venus's hour. See page 16. Oh, awesome. More information. The last quarter moon in Libra takes place when the sun is in Capricorn and the moon is in Libra. It knows that 2 great minds are better than one. Oh my gosh, I am in love. I absolutely love this deck. I think there's so much great information in this, whether you are well-versed in astrology and manifesting or not. I think this is highly beginner-friendly. It gives you so much great info. I'm overwhelmingly in love with this. I think it's great. Not to say her first deck wasn't amazing, because it was. It's also a great deck to have if you want to dive deeper into the moon cycles. So this is just her first deck here. So it does give you a lot of the different moon cycles and the in the signs. And let's just test the quality. Oh yeah, it's the same quality. Same size, and they do kind of feel a little buttery, a little bit, like just a smidgen. It could be like definitely seeing something that's not there, or I should say feeling something that's not there, but they feel really good in the hand. So if you were wanting to get this deck but wanted to see if there was a difference, there is a real big difference between the 2 decks. One, I feel like this is for like your full moon cycle, like the whole cycle, as well as just a general moon deck. Great deck to have. This, I feel like, focuses way more obviously on the manifestation, how to do it, a lot of information. I think it's fantastic. I think I will definitely be using this a lot. I think it's stunningly done. I love the art. I love the color. I like how they feel in my hand. I'm all about this. So thank you, Yasmin, for putting out yet another wonderful deck. Please let me know in the comment section if you are excited about this, or if you didn't even know it was on your radar, or if this is a hard pass for you. I'm very interested. I always love your guys' different thoughts and opinions down in the comment section. And as always, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please don't forget to check out all the links in my link tree. That's where all my social media is. And if you want to become a channel member or a Patreon, you guys get perks and it helps go back into this channel. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.